Subaru Japan announced they will no longer be taking orders for the 2020 Subaru Brz'S. Customers who want to have their color of choice, accessories, and options of their choice can no longer do that. They just gotta hope whatever spec they want on the Brz'S is on the dealership. As they finish accepting orders from build to manufacturers, they send a message. Subaru's Japan BRZ page reads, and I quote, "Due to stock availability at retailers, we may not be able to meet customer requests for body colors and options. Please contact your dealership for more information," end quote. Usually when a manufacturer closes an order for cars this soon means business is going down. What's interesting is Toyota is making their orders until the fall, and both Toyota G86 and Subaru BRZ make their cars in the same plant in Japan. Apparently Subaru and Toyota is going to join together to make a next gen of sports cars called the GR86. From what info they have, they will use the frame of the Subaru Impreza, and rumored they will have a Subaru 2.4 liter flat 4-cylinder. But they don't know if it's going to be turbocharged or not. If anything, it'd be a good idea to put a turbocharger on there. It would attract more attention to the car and makes me curious on what Toyota and Subaru are going to make together. It looks like the BRZ is going to be gone, but we'll be building something great. What do you guys think of the BRZ going away? Would you want them to continue making them, or would you want to see the new creation they are building? And out of the three, which car would you prefer? The FRS, the BRZ, or the G86? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you on my next video.